12th Science, Subject Mathematics and Statistics, Part 1st, Chapter number 6, Line and Plane. Dear students, we are going to study angle between planes. In this article, we discuss angle between two planes and angle between line and a plane. Angle between planes. Angle between planes can be determined from the angle between their normals. Planes r bar dot n1 equal to d1 and r bar dot n2 equal to d2 are perpendicular to each other if and only if n1 bar dot n2 bar equal to 0. That is, the planes are perpendicular, hence their normals are perpendicular, therefore their dot product is 0. Planes in Cartesian form a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other if and only if a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0. Definition. If two planes are not perpendicular to each other, then angle between them is defined as the acute angle between their normals. The angle between the planes r bar dot n1 equal to d1 and r bar dot n2 equal to d2 is given by cos theta equal to mod of n1 bar dot n2 bar divided by mod of n1 into mod of n2. Here the angle between planes. These have two planes, n1 normal, n2 normal. Then angle between them represented by cos theta mod of in numerator n1 bar dot into n2 bar dot divided by its multiplication of magnitudes. Examples. Example number 23. Find the angle between the planes r bar dot I plus j minus 2k equal to 8 and r bar dot minus 2I plus j plus k equal to 3. Solution. We know that the angle between the planes represented by the formula cos theta equal to mod of n1 bar dot n2 divided by mod of n1 bar into n2 bar. We know that normal to the given planes are, here is r1 dot n1 equal to d1. This is normal of first plane denoted by n1 bar equal to I plus j minus 2k. Also the equation of plane is r bar dot n2 equal to d2. Hence normal to the second plane is denoted by n2 bar is minus 2I plus j plus k. We know that the acute angle theta between normals is given by the formula cos theta equal to mod of n1 bar dot n2 bar divided by mod of n1 bar into n2 bar. Mod complete. Therefore, cos theta equal to put the value. Here is n1 bar I plus j minus 2k into n2 bar is minus 2I plus j plus k. Here is dot product divided by its magnitude. Magnitude of n1 bar. Here is n1. Its magnitude is root of. Here is 1 square plus 1 square plus in bracket minus 2 square. We know that root of 1 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to root of 6. Also, magnitude of n2 bar. Hence root of minus 2 square plus 1 square plus 1 square equal to root of 4 plus 1 plus 1 equal to root of 6. Here is dot product. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Hence minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 equal to minus 3. Root 6 into root 6 equal to 6. 3 divided by 6 1 by 2. Here is minus 1 by 2. But outside the mod we take positive value, that is 1 divided by 2. Hence cos theta equal to 1 divided by 2. Therefore theta equal to 60 degree in radian pi divided by 3. Therefore, the acute angle between the normals n1 bar and n2 bar is 60 degree. Angle between normals is angle between planes. Hence, the angle between given planes is 60 degree. Example number 24. Find the angle between the planes r bar dot I plus j plus 2k equal to 30 and r bar dot 2I minus j plus k equal to 31. We know that angle between these two planes equal to angle between their normals. It is normal of first plane and normal of second plane. We use the same formula. Solution. The angle theta between the planes r bar dot n1 equal to d1 and r bar dot n2 equal to d2 is given by cos theta equal to mod of n1 bar dot n2 divided by mod of n1 into mod of n2. Mod complete denoted by equation 1. Hence, normal of first plane, that is n1 equal to I plus j plus 2k. Normal of second plane is n2 bar equal to 2I minus j plus k. We have to find n1 bar dot n2. I plus j plus 2k dot 2I minus j plus k. Hence, coefficient of I is 1. Coefficient of I is 2. 1 into 2 plus. Similar way, 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 1. Here is 2 minus 1. 2 into 1 is 2. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Also, we have to find magnitude of n1 bar equal to root of. Here is 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square equal to root of 1 plus 1 plus 4 equal to root of 6. Also, magnitude of n2 bar equal to root of. Here is 2 square plus minus 1 square plus 1 square equal to 4 plus 1 plus 1 equal to root of 6. From equation 1 we have cos of theta equal to n1 bar dot n2 equal to 3. Then magnitude of n1 into magnitude of n2, that is root 6 into root 6, here multiplication is 6. 3 divided by 6 equal to 1 divided by 2, mod of 1 divided by 2 equal to 1 divided by 2. Cos theta equal to 1 divided by 2, therefore theta equal to 60 degree. Hence the angle between the planes is theta equal to 60 degree. Thank you.